So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy and sell NFTs. And I'm actually experimenting with some of this shorter form content. That way I can just get some value out to you guys a lot quicker. And I'm just kind of sacrificing some of the quality. Let me know how you like it. But other than that, let's hop into it. You're going to need yourself a wallet to have your NFTs in. And you can see here, I have the Phantom wallet. And this is where you store your NFTs, and you can have your tokens. Think of this as just the wallet in your pocket, but just while you're surfing the web, you have your own wallet. I bought a couple of these Trump NFTs for a while because I thought they would spike up because of his inauguration, and it looks like they did. They actually went up like 10x. There's 3 marketplaces. We have Magic Eden, OpenSea, and Blur. I'm going to show you how to do it on Magic Eden. These are NFT marketplaces. So you connect your wallet, and just like signing into social media where you use a password and stuff, what you do in DeFi and dApps is you actually connect your wallet. There, you don't need to log in with your email or anything like that. You actually just log in with your wallet, and then you make sure you got your right wallet, and then you connect. When you connect, you're actually signing a transaction to show ownership that you own this wallet. Once you do that, then you're logged in with your wallet. And something to remember is your wallet has different networks, chains, like, for example, Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. You got to know what assets are on what chains. I know that the Trump NFTs are on Polygon. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to Polygon, see how everything just popped up. And don't worry about, sometimes you'll see some random NFTs in there. Don't worry about those ones. Anyone could send you anything. You'll get some like scam NFTs or just some, fake NFTs that are sent to your wallet. I mean, even someone could just copy this picture and send it, but it won't actually be of that Trump digital trading card, because these basically have a contract address underneath all of them saying that they're real part of that collection. It's not about just the JPEG. It actually says that it's part of that collection. So this is how you can see what's in your profile and all that. So let's go over here. We'll go to the home, and this is where you could see what's trending. See, it looks like the Trump NFT cards are somewhat trending right now. This is Series 2. He has a bunch of series, but the ones that I have in my wallet are Series 2. So you can see here, this is the floor right here. Actually, let's see. Is this in order? There might be a filter, actually. Let's see. Floor difference, last sold. Let's do this. Price. Yeah, low to high. So this one is floored at 200 pull. And see, some of these you'll see in WET. That's just wrapped Ethereum. That means you can buy it. Whoever's selling this is asking for that token on the Polygon network. But I believe you could still pay with a Polygon if you just click onto it. So, yeah, let's see here. This is the price currently of WET. Ethereum went up, this price would go up. And it looks like you can actually select. See, you can buy it with credit cards. You can actually, looks like you can pay with Polygon and looks like some other tokens. But see, it shows not enough. That's how you buy NFTs. And, these will fluctuate. If the floor is getting eaten up, then, it'll start going up as long as no one's listing it for a lower price. So you can see here, the floor is 200 pull. You can do an instant sell, because I think instead of somebody, this is just like an offer. Someone is offering 181 pull to buy any of these. This is the floor. This is the top offer. And you could see if you go to any different marketplace, sometimes there'll be a different floor. Let's do Trump Series 2. You can see here, see how it says chain Polygon? That's how you know it's on Polygon. And see, over here, the floor is 0.03 ETH, which is still same thing, wrapped ETH. And over here, see, It's a little bit less. Look, someone just actually listed this now. Now the floor is 195 pull. It's actually going down. It's probably because Trump didn't say anything about crypto during his speech today. But I would say that these have a chance to go back up, especially if they are getting bought up on the market and there's less of them. That's how you buy them. If you wanted to sell, what you would do is you could go over to your profile. Let's see. So I'll say I want to sell this one. You could go to this one and see it has review top offer. You could review top offer, which I believe is, yes. You could sell it instantly for that 0.025 ETH, or you could list it. And this you can just click floor, it'll put it on the floor. Now remember, there are royalties right here because what Trump did, they programmed royalties into this. He will get 10%, but you can actually click 0 and you won't give the creator any royalties. You only just pay, just platform fees. So they see that would only be 4 pull if you listed it for that. So that's how you list your NFTs. You could just click here, list it. You can even go below floor. Like if you wanted to sell this really quick, you could go below floor, or you could just accept whatever the top offer is. If you actually go into your wallet, you'll see this top offer. If you click onto your NFT, there we go. Sell for 0.024. See, that's how you sell it instantly. But if you want to go and floor it, you could go ahead and do that to make, the most out of it.